Are you ready for some more Halloween cards? Well, stay tuned. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Creating Cards in 10 Minutes, where I take the current month's Sheetload sketch, skillfully and kindly provided by Alicia of Call Me Crafty Owl, and create a set of cards 10 minutes at a time. This is the October 2021 Sheetload, and it's inspired by Creative Chelsea. She has a blog post, and she's also one of her collaborators who showed their cards on the 2nd of this month. But this one is kind of fun, and I think it goes well for Halloween because you tear the pieces of pattern paper. And I'm going to be adding a few other little goodies also. It uses 2 pieces. That's why I decided to choose my I Love Halloween pattern paper. And I used my black glitter paper and I cut out the circles. And I will be doing something different with the 5 1/4 by 4 piece. I'm going to be embossing. This is a 3D, a little thicker, but I think it's a cute pattern. I've got all my pieces cut. I've got my card bases. I'm using some of the ephemera that I bought along with the paper. And I'm going to be using my little ghosts. I put the googly eyes on yesterday and let them dry. So let's put 10 minutes on the clock. I'm going to be embossing, and I will speed that part up, but the clock is still running. Okay. That may be all we get done today, but let's just see how it goes. Well, maybe not. I'll figure that out later. Let's go ahead and tear the pattern pieces. And in this case, because they're both just opposites of each other, it doesn't matter where I tear it at. Okay. I don't know what happened to my machine. Hopefully it's fixable and figure outable. Try to tear off as little as you can, I think. You don't want too big of a gap. And as usual, my cutting is not consistent. That's why I do it off camera. And this is the same set I used last time for my cards, but I will be putting Trick or Treat on the inside. Matter of fact, I think I will stamp next before I get started putting the card fronts together. I think that's always a good idea. I thought I would just go ahead and do 5 ghosts and 5 ephemera to mix it up a little bit. Yeah, I thought the torn pieces would be really cute for Halloween. Vicky Papineau, I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name, but I've been following her for years. And she did a really cute Halloween card with torn edges and googly eyes. But I thought this pattern paper was so cute. I just got 2 pieces and just using the opposite sides. So one advantage, obviously, is that I can't go wrong and accidentally tear off the wrong side. But I better not speak too soon. Okay, there's those. And then let's do these. You can see the white way clearer in this since it's black paper, so that's fun. I already have one of these in mind from one of my granddaughters. So I picked out some ephemera just for her. I will kind of pre-measure and look at it before I attach it. And if they're too close together, I'll go ahead and tear it a little bit more. We'll see how it goes. All right, one more. Then we'll go ahead and stamp, and then I will figure out the embossing folder thing. All right, there's those. Let's go ahead and stamp the inside. Trick or treat. I do have a wooden block that says Happy Halloween, but it's really scripty. I just, you know, I'm making these cards for kids. So let's do black, of course. It is Halloween. Then I'll also decorate the insides. Whoops, I'm sorry, I am totally out of frame. I will correct that. Oops, well. So we're making 10 cards. This sketch makes 10. You don't have to make 10. And they will, like I said, they will be different because I'm only going to do 5 with the ghosts and 5 with ephemera. And then decorating the inside of the card can be different too. This is my VersaFine Onyx Black ink, by the way. I really like VersaFine, VersaClair. The Versas are very good. Versatile. Maybe that's why they named it that. Who knows? Versatile, versatile. Tomato, tomato. Oh, there we go. Stop. Okay, one more. So we have the pattern paper torn, and we have the inside stamped. Okay. Good deal. Next time we will get those 5 1/4 by 4 layers embossed, and I will see you then. Bye-bye.